Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? T plus hem plus buck plus 2. Timbuktu. Timbuktu. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show. The gentleman on my right is our returning champion. His name is Bob May, and he has picked up over $1,460 in prizes to this point. We would like to add to that today. Would you? Welcome back.
Thanks, Alex.
You feeling okay?
I'm feeling great.
All right. Ready to face this lady? Her name is Ann Gonzalez. Hello, Ann.
Hi, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from right here in Burbank.
Yeah?
Yes.
Born and bred, huh?
Well, yeah, pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Married?
Pretty much. 2 years.
Yeah? Any little ones yet?
Not yet.
Not yet? What's your husband do?
He's a truck driver.
And what do you do?
Well, I'm looking for a job right now.
That's all right. That gives you a little more time to watch our show and to practice at home so that you hone your skills in order to win some great prizes on Classic Concentration. Prizes such as this one, for instance.
Yippee-yi-oh-ki-yay! It's happy trails for you and a partner as you ride into the sunset at a New York dude ranch. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Roseland Ranch in Stanfordville, New York for casual ranch resort activities. You may swim in their indoor pool, explore the ranch on horseback, hike or snowmobile. Year-round fun furnished by Roseland Ranch. Alex.
Thank you, Marjorie. Thank you, Gene. We'll show Ann and Bob where they can find that Dude Ranch vacation at number 1. It seems a little strange to say a Dude Ranch holiday in New York, but we've had a lot of great reports about the Roseland Ranch. Ann, you're the challenger. You get to select first in this one.
Okay, I'm going to start out with my husband's birthday, which is 7.
Lucky number 7, designer sunglasses.
And 19.
Number 19. Motorcycle, no match for you. Let's go over to Bob.
Oh, I'd love to have that motorcycle. Let's look under number 16, please.
Silver buffet service.
I've never had one, so I could use it. Let's try number 10 for the match, please.
Crystal chandelier. Have you ever had a crystal chandelier?
No.
Ah, you could probably use that also. Ann, you get to pick.
Okay, let's start at the bottom with number 25.
Green
Oh,
take.
take. Okay, let's try to match that with number 5.
No match again. Leather attachés for 2. Bob.
Let's look at number 18, please.
Leather attachés for 2.
And was that number 5?
Leather attachés for 2. First match goes to our champion. First prize on his side of the prize columns. And now we open 2 doors for him. Select again.
Let's look at number 20, please.
Scooter and skateboard set.
Scooter and skateboard set. Wow. Let's try number 22 for the match, please.
Crystal chandelier. No match. Ann.
Oh, we saw the crystal chandelier. I think it was under number 18. Oh,
Well,
we know
18's
that's
already
right.
gone,
Okay,
so-
16, I'm sorry.
Number 16? No,
Oh,
that's
no,
the
that was
silver buffet service.
Okay, let's look under number 6 for a wild card.
Nope, there's a motorcycle. Bob?
Okay, I think that crystal chandelier was under number 10.
Yes.
And under number 22 for the match, please.
Correct. Another match for you. Another chance to study the puzzle. Even though there isn't all that much showing. A little bit more, but somehow I don't feel it is quite enough. Go again, Bob.
Can I look under number 19, please?
Well, that's the motorcycle.
And was that number 6 for the match?
The other part of the motorcycle. Man's good. Open it up. Try it again.
Let's take a look up at the top, number 3, please.
Red take.
Red take. Okay, let's find a match for that or a wild card under number 15.
Bachelor's Kitchen. No match. Ann.
Okay, let's look under number 2, please.
There's a wild card.
Okay,
What are you going to
I'm
go
going to
for?
go for the vacation under number 1.
Number 1, the Roseland Dude Ranch Vacation. Yes. The other one at number 17. There's a good prize in your column now, Ann.
Good.
Take a look and see what these 3 pieces reveal of this puzzle.
I can't tell yet. Okay.
All right, go again.
Let's look under number 12.
Diamond cufflinks.
Diamond cufflinks. And also, we didn't see number 9. Maybe that's the match.
Maybe, but no.
Oh,
We have designer sunglasses, so we go back to Bob.
Can I see number 7, please?
Sure. Designer sunglasses.
And number 9 for the match.
That's the match. Lucky 7, I believe, was the first number that Ann called a little while ago. Let's see what happens now, Bob.
Ooh.
Pick again.
Let's look in the right-hand bottom corner at number 25, please.
That's the green take.
And did we see that at number 11?
Yes.
Oh, no!
I don't recall seeing
it at number 11.
That's all right. You were able, with your mystical powers, to determine that there was a take there.
I'm going to take the Dude Ranch. I'm going to take the vacation.
Right now, sure.
Right now.
Seems to be a good time to take it. We have 2 doors opening up for you and quite a bit of the puzzle showing. Pick again.
Can we look at number 21, please?
Bachelor's Kitchen.
I know we saw that. Is that under number 15?
Bachelor's Kitchen. Yes, that's where we saw it. I have a feeling that Ann can solve this puzzle because she's been doing one of these numbers on the top of the desk and saying, "Oh, I hope he misses. I hope he misses." Bob, are you going to miss or are you going to solve this puzzle right now? Take a look. Select again.
Could we look at number 24, please?
There's another wild card. He's going to stay alive a little while longer, Ann.
I can't even remember now. Let's open up number 12, please.
Number 12 is the diamond
nice,
cufflinks.
nice,
The other diamond cufflinks.
nice.
A little bit more of the puzzle showing. A lot of prizes at stake for Bob.
Is it knock your block off?
Is it knock your block off? And of course it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 prizes. And a chance to play for the cars, too. Let's go to the board, Bob. Break it down.
Okay. When you said Ann had known it, I knew I had to figure it out pretty soon. I figured out this was knock. I saw the Y. I didn't see the or, but it's knock, Y plus the or for your. The B down here. The,
No.
the block.
That's it.
And off here. The light is turned off. Knock your block off.
Knock your B block off. That's what you're with. Anything else? Hey, this is a big win for you.
Oh, great.
You have won a bundle, Gene.
Designer sunglasses, leather attachés for 2, diamond cufflinks, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select diamond cufflinks or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a crystal chandelier. Schoenbeck Solitaire Crystal Chandelier, a bold, dramatic creation by Arnold Schoenbeck, featuring fine traditional styling and brilliant lead crystal furnished by Schoenbeck, and a bachelor's kitchen. This Whirlpool kitchen features a designer-style side-by-side refrigerator freezer with flexible storage and easy-to-clean features, a portable dishwasher with power clean washing system and in-the-door silverware basket, and an easy clean-up electric range with electronic touch controls, and a solid-state meal timer clock furnished by Whirlpool, and a motorcycle. Loosen up and have some fun with a Honda ZB50 motorcycle. Handles everything from around the block to around the town, compact size and lightweight, designed to make it easy to maneuver and transport. And, of course, the exciting New York Dude Ranch. And these prizes, Bob, are worth a big number, $8,566.
That is a big number indeed. And, of course, you get to play for a brand new car. And we're going to take you off stage for a little while. You get to participate in game number 2. But right now, we have a commercial break. We'll return following this. Third time in the winner's circle for Bob May, but he's won a bundle of prizes, and now he would like to add a brand new car. Let's see if he can do it. 15 numbered squares, and the clock at 45 seconds. Good luck, Bob. Off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
Yes.
7, 9.
No.
10, 3.
Right.
12, 13.
Nope.
15, 1.
No.
7, 15.
Right.
2, 8.
No.
9, 2.
Right.
8, 11.
No.
13, 14.
No.
1, 14.
Right.
5, 13.
That's it.
12, 8.
You have got it. Hello. Tell him, Gene, while he's getting all these hugs.
Bob, you've just won this Mitsubishi Mirage 3-door hatchback. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and power steering, furnished by Mitsubishi, a prize worth over $8,900.
You're going to leave us, Bob, but you're going away with $18,929 in prizes. Congratulations to you. You're a good champion. We'll take a break. We'll come back with a new player right after this. Bob May left us a very happy man with close to $19,000 in prizes, and so we welcome a new contestant to our show, and his name is Andrew Berlin. Hello, Andrew.
Hello, how you
Welcome
doing?
aboard. You are a student at San Diego,
UC San Diego.
and you are majoring in what?
Communications.
I see, with a view to performing in front of the cameras or working behind the scenes?
Well, actually, it's kind of a major that when you're really not sure what you want to do, you just do communications.
Ah, I see. All right, well, that's okay. You know, I've been in this business now 30 years. How old are you?
19.
19. Yeah, I started 11 years before you came into the world. And would you believe that when I started, I was sort of a good-looking guy. I'll show you. Take a look over here as we tell you about one of the prizes you're playing for in this game.
A custom oil portrait of yourself or loved one by the renowned portrait artist Frank Torriello. This masterful creation will remain a family treasure forever, furnished by the Torriello Studios. Alex.
See how young I looked in those days? I was prematurely gray then. Unfortunately, I am no longer prematurely gray. Andrew and Ann, take a look at our board, and we will show you where you can find that custom oil portrait. It is at number 15. Andy, you're going to pick first. In this game, we have just the one wild card, and we have a vacation in Maui, as well as $800 in the cash pot. So a lot of great prizes in this one.
Well, all right, let's see if we can find that Maui under number 6.
Maui under number 6? No, that's the $800 cash pot.
Could always use some cash. How about the match under number 23?
Electric guitar, no match. Ann?
Okay, let's start out in the middle at number 13.
Red take.
Okay, and hopefully find a match under number 5.
No slide projector there. Andrew?
All right, let's go to the top of the board at number 1.
Electric guitar.
Electric guitar. Didn't we just see that under number 23?
Right. There's an early match for our challenger. Andrew gets a look at the puzzle with 2 panels swinging open.
One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest?
Is it One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest? No. But that would have been fantastic if it had been, because that would have been the quickest solution for any contestant in our whole history. Just 2 squares revealed.
Do I get anything extra for that?
No, but well, maybe you would have, but you didn't solve it, you see. Pick again, Andrew.
All right, let's try number 4. Diamond pendant.
Yeah.
And the match under number 12.
Maui, Hawaii. Ann, over to you.
Oh, I want to find a wild card for that Hawaii. How about number 19?
Maui, Hawaii.
And number 12.
Number 12 is a match. Way to go, Ann. And as you realize, realize this game is even more important for you than it is for Andrew because you've got the one strike against you. And as you know, 2 strikes and you have to say goodbye. But right now, let's look on the positive side. Open these 2 panels for the lady and see if she can solve the puzzle, win the game.
Not yet.
Select
no.
again.
Okay, let's look under number 7, see what's there.
His and her athletic wear.
Okay, and let's see what's under 21.
Designer table lamps. No. Andrew.
Well, I'll take a look under number 5.
Slide projector.
Slide projector. We said under number 6?
No, that's the cash pot. Anne, back to you.
Yeah. Okay, let's look under number 10, see what's there.
Custom oil portrait.
Oil portrait. Oh, and under number 15, was that where it was? Okay.
Yes. Now you realize this would be a custom oil portrait of you or someone you love. You don't get my portrait.
Oh, I love you, Alex.
Oh, well then you get my portrait. Open it up. See how easy I am?
Not yet. I don't see it.
Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 25.
His and her athletic wear.
And I believe I saw that under number 7.
His and her athletic
All right.
wear. Way to go, Anne.
Much better this time.
Yes, you are more relaxed and you're performing a lot better. Let's see what happens now. Pick again.
Okay, let's look under number 17. See what's there?
Slide projector.
And it was also under number 5.
You are correct. Slide projector. Open it up quickly.
Is it one for the books?
I think you may have just won yourself a game and a holiday in Hawaii. One for the books. Yes, indeed. You're right. You were doing better in this game. Let's go to the board. Come and explain it.
Okay, there's the number 1, and then the Roman numeral number 4, and then books. One for the books.
One for the books. Congratulations to you. In a moment, we're going to tell you about your prizes. But right now, Andrew, we're going to take you off stage for just a little bit. You've got 1 strike against you, but you're going to get to play again. But not right now. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, Ann, let's hear about your prizes, including a great vacation. Gene.
A slide projector and his and her athletic wear. Sergio Tacchini's European designed his and her outfits, a choice of activewear, tennis wear, and shoes in the latest fabrics and colors, furnished by Sergio Tacchini and Maui, Hawaii. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Aston Kanapali Shores. Enjoy the luxury, amenities, and comforts of home offered at this 4-diamond Aston Suite Resort on Maui's Kanapali Shore. Furnished by Aston Hotels and Resorts. And, of course, the handsome custom oil portrait of Alex as a young man. And Annie, these prizes total $6,367.
Obviously, my portrait is very expensive. All right, you've got over $6,000. We'll take a break. When we come back, we'll see if you can win one of these brand new cars, as Bob did a little while ago. After this. Ann said it a few moments ago, I'm doing a lot better now. Let's see if that confidence and that ability carries over into this round. Good luck to you as you try to win one of these cars. 15 numbered squares for you, and you begin with base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Off you go, Ann.
10, 13,
No.
11, 14,
No.
12, 15,
No.
1, 13,
No.
2, 5,
No.
15, 4,
No.
3, 13,
No.
10, 3.
That's it.
Okay. 4, 7,
No.
15.
That's all right. You had kind of a strange pattern going for you there. You did the bottom, then you went to the top, and it's tough adjusting top and bottom like that. But keep that in mind if you get up here another time. But meanwhile, enjoy the fact that you've won $6,367 in prizes, including a holiday in Maui. And we're coming right back after this break and this word from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm three-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Next time, so long.
Speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.